Ferries are essential to life in Arran and Cumbrae. But I've been hearing so many complaints about everything from reliability and punctuality, all the way to new boats which are massively over budget and years too late. But what I'm struck by is that the anger of local people isn't being channeled to the top. There's a coziness where concerns are expressed on our behalf, and we get a pat on the head and know that everything's going to be okay. If you select me, we'll disrupt this. We'll make sure that people's voices are never ignored like they were over the new Roddick terminal. I'm not promising to fix this all by myself. We'll do that together, because it's together that we win.